Cuban rotations are exactly like our shoulder axial rotations, only we're taking them from the 90 degree. For anyone that's been into the bodyweight sort of mobility world for a while now, the good old familiar Cuban rows from any angle, okay? And this is what these are called. So these are called Cuban rows, and they're from the exact same position of the shoulder axial rotations. And again, they can be performed seated, they can be performed standing, they can be performed in the half kneeling position, and they look a little bit like this. So again, I recommend starting unilaterally, so with one arm until you feel the feeling in both internal and external as the same. If you're coming around and the left arm is getting a far better sensation than the right, then it's probably better to work the right arm when you're fresher and then move on to the better control side when you are weaker. Okay, so position, ribs down, pelvis tilted to about 20 degrees, okay? We want to tense the abs, we want to radiate that tension from the bottom of the feet, squeezing the ground with the toes right up. The opposite hand is going to be placed by the side. You could ideally put a yoga block in here, put a lacrosse ball, a hurling ball in the hand for added tension after you've come to terms with the move. Getting started, our 90 degree angle, shoulder, elbow, hand, and from here, we turn that bicep away, and then through that same smooth, fluid motion, when getting started with this move, if you don't have a mirror, it is totally fine to look at the arm as it's moving. That's going to really, really help you understand if the elbow's moving up or down. Remember, when the face is fixed straight ahead, common compensations throughout this Cuban rotation is as we're externally rotating, allowing the elbow to drop and the hand to come out, or on external rotation, actually depressing the scapula by pulling the shoulder down to turn out. Remember, we want to keep this shoulder fixed in neutral, okay? So it's not in depression or retraction. And remember that we want the shoulder capsule doing the work here. So from the side, it's internal rotation. Here, my shoulder wants to elevate and roll inward to get deeper. It's not about getting the hand down further here. It's about only using the internal rotator of the shoulder. That's my honest range there. And then external rotation. Can be open hand, it can be fist. What we don't want to do is turn and break at the wrist, okay? We want that piece of string coming down throughout the arm here, nice and straight. By all means, whenever you come to terms with the move, this can be brought into doubles. And eventually you can bring some weight in here. But like always, start with body weight, develop good control, and then you can progress it from there. Thank you very much.